This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Bill and Jill team. Sensational. 4-bedroom 3.5 bath west/full bsmt, opt. Master on main, rebuilt kit west/solid maple cabinetry, Jenn-Air, 48 inches side-by-side flush fridge, downdraft gas stove, whole house filtration, RO drinking water, HVAC replaced 2016. Pool house 2016-22'X22, own HVAC, 1 bay is 4th garage and amp, other is half bath and amp, wet bar. Cedar pergola west/gas fire pit, horizontal privacy fence around pool west/professional landscaping. An absolutely stunning home. For more information, review the details below or contact Bill and Jill team at 317-374-2462.